So, do you see all the trauma that's going on? Do you see these people acting like I know them? Do you see these graveyards? Nobody sees any of that. Let this town live, okay? So this is the final scene of Sound of Color, which was created in December 2018. It says a fair light brown man with white hair enters a building with desks and shelves. A black girl with the tutu greets a man at the window. Man 1. I am Lan Wilson. I am an ambassador to the UN. Our product is Coke. A girl with the tutu. I am mixed Hispanic, Chinese, and black. Lan Wilson. Wonderful. I am here to meet Julie Amber. Girl with tutu. I am Nola Carmichael. Ending scene.